organs of the immune system. Cells. Also, we have the cells of the immune system. Okay, it's not a problem. Guys, how are you? You are fine. My name is Ali Hernandez. Hello my channel, hello my science channel. Today we will talk about the cells of the immune system. As I said that we talk about the organs of the immune system and you love this system. Also today we will talk about the cells of the immune system. But the first thing and important thing that I wanted from you is to make like for my videos, subscribe for my channel, and that's all about. Now keep with this video to talk about the cells of the immune system. Okay, that at the first we'll talk about the composition of blood, or we can say about it the constituents of blood. We have what are the blood is consist of is from the plasma, the white blood cells or platelets, and the red blood cells. The plasma, which surround 55% from the blood. Also the white blood cell is the defense of the foreign bodies of pathogen in our body that consists of 4% in our body. Also we have the red blood cells which around 41% on our body. We will go from the constituents of bloods to our lesson about these cells of the immune system. Okay, we said that the white blood cell is cause around 4% of the blood or of the body. So this white blood cell is going from the bone marrow, as we can remember, in the organs. That's the site of maturation of B lymphocyte. So this white blood cell is going from the B or from the bone marrow, which we can say about the white blood cells leukocytes. And this bone marrow is just as we said in organs that is going to produce all the body cells. Consist of the body cells, we have the white blood cell where the bone marrow is mature, or the bone marrow is producing it for the body. So this leukocytes, we can say about it is the defense or type of defense for our body. So also from this we were going through the type of cells going from the immune system. So we have three types of cells. Actually we have many types, but today we'll talk about these three types of cells. We have the monocyte, granulocyte, and lymphocyte. So first we have this granulocyte cell. So under the microscope, which is perspective, that this granulocyte or this cell is named granulocyte cell is under the microscope have this shape with multi-lobed nucleus, as we can see here that it's appeared on the photo. Also that we can say or we can actually see on this cell that we have the small bubbles, the small points, which are the blue small points, which we can say about them granules. And this granulocyte we can surround it from, or we can make special from other that have granules in the cytoplasm. And this granulocyte cell can transfer to macrophage to make the third or the second line of defense, which is the non-specific immune response. We'll talk about it in the other session about the lines of defense. Okay, second, as we can see this image, that we have the monocyte cell. That was the granulocyte. This is the monocyte cell, which we can also find it in the immune system. This monocyte cell that also we can or that we can make special from other cells that have bean shaped nucleus. As we can see this red, which is the nucleus, it's going like bean that have proteins that we eat it. It's going to the bean shape or the shape of the bean that we can connect them to the nucleus. Also, this monocyte, it can transfer into macrophage, going to the second line of defense, which is the non-specific immune response of the phagocytosis, and the second line of defense, which is non-specific immune system response. Also, we will talk about it in the other session. Also, this monocyte, or we can say about it the macrophage, it can cross the capillary walls and reach the insert status phagocytosis of pathogens. This phagocytosis, we'll talk about it in other session to make it clear for you what is the phagocytosis and what the monocyte and granulocyte can there make a role. Okay, the third type of cells, which they are the lymphocytes. And these lymphocyte cells, we have two types of cells, which they are the B lymphocyte. Also, we have the T lymphocyte, or the B cell and the T cell. First of all, we will talk about the T cell. The T cell, which is here on the screen. This T cell, as we said, that it's produced or born in the bone marrow, as we talk about organs consisting the bone marrow and the primary immune organs. We said that the T lymphocyte is produced or born in the bone marrow, this T lymphocyte. Also, that's going to maturate where in the thymus, as we said, in the organs. So this T lymphocyte that have a role, which is going to be just born on the bone marrow. The role of this, we'll talk about them on the other sessions to just make it clear for you. So just take it that it is born in the T lymphocyte. That's born on the bone marrow and maturate on the thymus. Just take it as that, and we will know what's the role of this T lymphocyte. Okay, in lymphocytes that we said that we have the T lymphocyte, also we have the B lymphocyte or the B cell. This B cell is born in the bone marrow and also maturate on the bone marrow. Also, it have a main role for the third line of defense, which is the specific immune response that we will talk about it on other videos. Also, that the B lymphocyte, other than that the B lymphocyte can make either a reaction for the defense of the body. It can secrete, take chemotaxis, and also about that. These things we'll talk about them on other videos. Just today to know what are the cells of the immune system.